In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing dashboard in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable view of your marketing performance that updates as new data comes in. We'll start by building the foundation, a tab called Stats. This is the home for your raw data, and it's where your automation tool will drop daily numbers. In a new Google Sheet, add a tab and rename it to Stats. In the first row, create 6 column headers in this order: date, platform, impressions, clicks, conversions, and spend. Make sure the date column is formatted as a date and spend is formatted as currency so it's easy to read. If you're automating with a tool, point it to this tab so each new day gets added as a new row. If you're entering data manually for now, follow the same structure. Keep platforms consistent like TikTok or YouTube, and always add complete rows so totals stay accurate. A quick tip: don't leave zeros blank. Use zero so your formulas don't misbehave later. Now let's build the front end, a tab called Dashboard. Create a new tab and rename it to Dashboard. This is where you'll surface the top-level metrics decision makers care about. First, set aside a single cell where you'll enter total revenue for the period you're analyzing. You can type a number here or link it to a revenue source later, but keep it on the dashboard for clarity. Below that, add your 3 core metrics. For total CTR percent, type the formula SUM stats .dd SM stats CC. This takes all clicks divided by all impressions so you can quickly see if your ads and thumbnails are doing their job. Format that cell as a percentage with 1 or 2 decimals. For conversion rate percent, type SOM stats IE, sumstats DD. This shows how well your landing page or offer converts clicks into actions. Again, format as a percentage. For total ROAS, type all total revenue, sumstats FF, replacing total revenue with the cell reference where you entered the revenue value. This gives you return on ad spend, a quick read on whether your spend is paying off. If you want a cleaner look, you can wrap each formula in iFerror to prevent temporary division by zero messages while your sheet is empty. As new rows land in the Stats tab, these metrics will update automatically, so you always have a current snapshot without manual recalculation. Keep your data tidy, your headers consistent, and you'll have a reliable marketing dashboard that makes performance obvious at a glance.